ohmathgad.
Oh math cat guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning how to make a reflection across the y-axis of any given point, line, segment, or polygon. So without further ado, let's begin. So guys, whenever we make a reflection of any given point across the y-axis, that reflection of that pre-image is going to have each and every one of the vertices that we are reflecting across the y-axis is going to have the same coordinate for y, but the x coordinate is going to be the opposite one. So if it's 1, it's going to be -1, right? If it's 3, it's going to be -3. If it's -2, it's going to be 2, right? But the value of y is going to remain the same, right? So today's problem is going to be a problem about a quadrilateral FGHJ that has coordinates 0, 3, 2, 4, 4, 2, and -2, 0. And we're going to see the graph and the label of the reflection across the y-axis of that same polygon, right? So let's begin. Okay, guys, so it's pretty easy and self-explanatory. So whenever we have F03, our reflection across the y-axis is going to be the opposite value of x, so in this case, the opposite value of 0 is still 0, and the same value of y, right? And we're going to call it with F, tick mark. So G24 is going to have G -2, 4, right? So the image of H42 is going to be H -4, 2. And the image of J -2, 0 is going to be J 2, 0. So as you can see, they are the same value, they have the same values for y, but the opposite values of x. So 0, 0, 2 -2, 4 -4, and -2, 0. Okay, now let's graph them. So the pre-image is going to be 0, 3, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3. It's going to be here. 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. It's going to be 4, 2, 3, 4, and 2, and -2, 0. So 1, 2, 0. And we're going to have our pre-image, right? So we're going to have J here, we're going to have H here, we're going to have G here, and we're going to have F here. So as you can see, we have what we call the pre-image before the reflection, and it's going to be reflected across the y-axis. So let's look at the image. So as you can tell, the image is going to have the same value for F. The value for G is going to be -2, and then 4 is going to be here. We're going to have a value of -4 and 2. And our value of J is now going to be 2, 0, right? So when we draw the lines, we're going to see that this one in red is going to be our image. And that image is going to be our reflection across the y-axis of the initial quadrilateral, which is going to have the same values, but now we're going to have the image, right? So the reflection or the image is going to be the quadrilateral H, J, G, F. Remember to put the tick marks to represent that they are indeed an image. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. So see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!